In your keynote address, Governor, you mentioned that you would continue to buffer up the Forex reserve. The Forex reserve of India north of $600 billion. Growth is strong. CAD is coming under control. So is there a threshold beyond which you would say that you could order adequate Forex reserves?
No, we don't have any such particular number in mind. India is a growing economy, and some people like to see the Forex reserves as a percentage of GDP. I mean, it cannot be looked at in that way, because when your GDP is growing, naturally your export earning by many companies are also going up. Companies are also taking care of their own Forex management. We don't have any specific number that this will be our Forex reserves and then stop, because the economy is growing. Financial activities are growing. And we would like our Forex reserves to become even stronger. And today, I think India is, I think probably the fourth or the fifth, largest reserves that we have. I think it's the fourth or fifth largest reserves that any country, among the countries. So we would like to keep on building it.
Governor, the Reserve Bank of India gold reserve now are north of 800 tons. And according to RBI's balance sheet, the last year addition was about 27 tons. Progressively, would you be increasing the component of gold in the Forex reserve? Because globally also there seems to be a tilt by central bankers away from treasury towards gold.
You see, the gold purchase by the Reserve Bank, in fact, had stopped for quite some time. In 2011, I think 200 tons were acquired from the IMF. It's all in public domain. I'm not revealing any secret, any state secret. I think 200 tons were acquired from the IMF in 2011. But after that, RBI was not acquiring the gold. Then in December 2018, some small quantity of gold was purchased. But after that, if you see annually, and it's all there in the half-yearly reports. So after that, if you see annually, we have been buying gold. That is because our priority is to diversify the deployment of our Forex reserves in more currencies and in different kind of assets, particularly gold. And if you look at the long-term price of gold, gold prices in the long run have always increased. They might have fallen in between, but on a long period average, if you see, the gold prices have invariably gone up. So therefore, gold is considered therefore as a kind of a permanent hedge that you can have against external uncertainties and challenges. So therefore, we have now, we do buy the gold, but we naturally, buy it whenever there is an opportune moment. And there is a high-level committee which decides the strategy of purchase of gold. Yes, building up gold reserves is a part of our reserve deployment, and we will continue with that. But it's not as if that we will go on mindlessly buying gold. We have to be also very mindful of the international prices. But approach is, yes, we need to sort of diversify the deployment of our Forex reserves, and gold is a part of that. So naturally, the gold purchases will continue.